I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Soundcore q20i versus q30. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. So please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. First talk about audio quality. Q20i provided decent 40 drivers in hand space and Q30 provided superior high-res audio with 40 drivers. So Q30 is better. Now let's look at the active noise cancellation. Q20 provided standard ANC, effective but basic, and Q30 provided hybrid ANC with multiple modes, so Q30 is better. Now let's look at the comfort. Q20 provided lightweight basic cushioning comfort, and Q30 provided improved padding, more comfortable for long use, so Q30 is better. Now let's look at the Bluetooth version. Q20 provided Bluetooth 5.0, and it is also provided by Q30, so both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. Q20 provided up to 40 hours ANC of 30 hours ANC on battery life, and Q30 provided up to 60 hours ANC or 40 hours ANC on, so Q30 is better. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of Q20 is solid but basic design, and the build quality of Q30 is premium build with more robust materials, so Q30 is better. Now let's look at the app support. Q20 provided minimal app customization, and Q30 provided Soundcore app support with EQ and ANC customization, so Q30 is better. Now let's look at the multi-point connection. In Q20 it is not supported, and in Q30 it is supported, so Q30 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Q20 is budget friendly and the price of Q30 is slightly higher price but more features, so depend upon the budget. Now let's look at the portability. Q20 provided foldable design, compact design, and Q30 provided foldable design, slightly bulkier, so Q20 is better. And in the last, let's look at the microphone quality. Q20 provided average for calls, and Q30 is better microphone clarity for calls, so Q30 is better. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.